When you press the brakes, you expect a smooth stop, but instead you hear a loud whoosh. That's not normal. It means there's a problem with your braking system. Right now, the brakes may still work fine, but ignoring that sound can lead to trouble. Let's go over what might be causing that hissing noise when you step on the brakes. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. What exactly is a whooshing sound? When you first press the brake, instead of the usual friction sound, you hear a soft hiss. Over time, this noise gets louder, like wind rushing through a narrow opening. It happens when you apply moderate pressure, especially at higher speeds. Along with the noise, the brakes feel softer, needing more pedal movement to slow down properly. It almost sounds like air leaking from the braking system. That's not how brakes should work. They should make a solid, grinding sound as they slow your vehicle down. Something's off and it needs attention before it gets worse. Causes of the whooshing sound. Air in the brake lines. If your brakes make a whooshing sound that comes and goes, air in the brake lines could be the problem. At first, it might not seem serious, but over time, it can lead to spongy brakes. Pumping the pedal can push some air out, but the brakes won't feel quite right until the system is properly bled. Air gets in somehow, maybe through a small leak, low fluid levels, or recent maintenance. If moisture or contaminants get into the brake fluid, they can cause corrosion and hurt performance. Adding more fluid and bleeding the lines will clear out air pockets for now, but keep an eye on how the brakes feel over time. Vacuum booster leak. The brake booster helps you press the pedal with less effort by using engine vacuum. If the housing cracks or the diaphragm inside fails, it won't build up the vacuum needed for proper hydraulic pressure. When that happens, braking becomes harder. You have to push down with more force and you'll hear air rushing in as you press the pedal. Leaks in the master cylinder, hoses, or seals can also let air into the system, causing that hissing noise. Get these parts checked and fix any leaks as soon as possible to keep your brakes working safely. Worn brake pads. If your brakes aren't stopping as well as they used to, make a loud squealing noise, or need more pedal movement to slow down, your brake pads are probably too worn out. When they get too thin, they don't connect properly with the rotor, leaving gaps where air can get trapped and cause that whooshing sound. If that's happening, don't wait. Replace the brake pads now. If they wear down too much, they can damage the rotors and calipers, which will be a much more expensive fix down the road. Diagnosing the root cause. Figuring out the cause of that whooshing noise means paying close attention to when and how it happens. First, take a good look at the brake system. Check the fluid level in the master cylinder and look for any leaks around the calipers, brake lines, hoses, or even spots under the car. Inspect the brake pads and rotors for signs of extreme wear, cracks, or overheating damage. Also, check for rust or physical damage on brake components. Next, test how the brakes respond. Pump the pedal and see if it feels soft or sinks, which could mean air or fluid loss. If you have to press the pedal further down or use more force to slow down, the brake pads might be too thin. Try using just the parking brake to see if the noise is coming from the hydraulic system. Listening is another good way to narrow down the issue. Have someone press the brake while you listen under the hood. See if the noise is coming from just one wheel or the whole system. Pay attention to whether it happens only when pressing the pedal lightly or fully, or even during certain turns. Finally, check how the car performs overall. Does it take longer to stop? Does it pull to one side or shake when braking? Are there any strange smells or other sounds along with the whoosh? The more details you gather, the easier it'll be to find the problem and fix it before it turns into something serious.